So, this is an infrared sensor. It is designed to emit and detect infrared light. It has two LED. One emits the infrared light and the other one detects the infrared light. So, let's connect it with Arduino and try to understand how it works. So, talking about the pinout of infrared sensor, the VCC pin is connected to 5 volts of Arduino and ground pin to the ground pin of Arduino, and as shown, the output is connected to analog input pin 0 of Arduino. Let's see the emission of infrared sensor, and it's working. So without any obstacle, no infrared light reflects back. When an obstacle is placed, the infrared light reflects back to the LED that detects the infrared light and gives a signal to output pin, which is connected to Arduino. And we can read it through Arduino serial monitor. Let's see a graph with and without any obstacle. So I hope you understand about how infrared sensor works. I hope you like it, so give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.